Building resilience. Life will test you, but resilience is your greatest tool. Let's talk about how to build it after incarceration. Resilience doesn't mean ignoring the hard days, it means learning from them. Start small, establish a daily routine, set one goal, and celebrate every win. Remember, setbacks are part of the process. What matters is how you bounce back. Stay focused on who you're becoming, not who you were. Keep going. You've already survived the hardest part. Like this video if you needed this reminder and share it with someone rebuilding their life.